Technology and music are a beautiful combination that helps producers to come up with incredibly inspiring music that moves people all around the world. With the help of modern technology, producing music nowadays is relatively simple, but you do need specific hardware. In a recording studio, a good laptop dedicated to producing music plays the biggest role in terms of usefulness. But in a market where there's an abundance of laptops fit for every role, finding the perfect laptops for music production could be a tiresome task. But as you've already guessed, we did the research for you and made a list of the top 5 laptops for music production just for you. So, without further ado, let us begin.
At AudioZone, our mission is to help audio fanatics make the right buying decision. We are a team of audiophiles who spend countless times testing out gadgets to make informative tutorials, in-depth reviews, and make your buying decision simple and effective.
First, let's begin our list with Microsoft Surface Laptop 4, the best laptop for music production in Microsoft Surface lineup. Coming with both a 13.5-inch and a 15-inch model, this beautiful laptop rocks powerful internal hardware such as up to an 11th Gen Intel Core i7 and up to AMD Ryzen 7 4980U graphics to make sure your creative spirit has no holds barred. In terms of memory, it can support up to 32GB of LPDDR4X RAM and up to a TB of SSD. These specs make sure the laptop will help you to produce music without any lack of processing power, while the beautiful 2496x1664 display that comes with the touch function ensures your eyes and your ears are just as entertained as your fingers, guaranteeing an overall fluid user experience. With up to 19 hours of advertised battery life that should see you through the whole day, the Surface Laptop 4 ensures your creativity never runs out of juice, so you can work on your masterpiece even when everything else is down. Being Microsoft's take on music producing laptops, the Surface lineup is a beautiful series of laptops built for a multitude of reasons. And the Surface Laptop 4 is your best bet when you're looking for a laptop for music production. Now, let's jump into the Apple ecosystem. And for our 4th best laptop, we have the MacBook Air M1. The thinnest, lightest, and the most affordable laptop you can get for music production from the MacBook lineup. There was a time when being a serious music maker meant you should settle for no less than a MacBook Pro, considering the processing power and RAM intensity requirements. But with the implementation of the M1 chip inside the 2021 version of MacBook Air, the game has changed drastically and made it one of the go-to and popular laptops in the Apple ecosystem in terms of music production. Other than that, its incredibly light and compact form factor will go perfectly with a producer whose workflow requires them to travel around a lot. Not only visually pleasing to look at, but the MacBook Air M1 also takes responsibility for producing beautiful visuals essential for the audiovisual spectrum with its beautiful 13.3-inch Retina screen with a 2K resolution. Storing your musical ingenuity, it has an expandable SSD storage of up to 2 TB. With a lightweight design, a compact form factor, and a beautiful user experience like you'd expect from a product originated from the MacBook lineup, the MacBook Air M1 gracefully takes the 4th spot on our list today. At number 3, we have a powerful laptop collaboration, and it's the Asus ROG Zephyrus G14 Alan Walker Special Edition. Now, how is it special from the regular version? Well, glad you asked. What makes this special edition special is the box it comes with. Yes, you heard that right, the box actually doubles as a synth or a mixing pad, connecting to the laptop through USB-C, and has a dedicated app to help with music production. The box has the ability to control track speed, load samples, and sound effects while synchronizing beautifully with the laptop itself. Speaking of the laptop, the special edition comes with a customized chassis and new colorways for the keyboard, making it stand out. In terms of hardware, it comes equipped with an AMD Ryzen 9 500HS CPU and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 Ti 4GB GPU combined with 16GB of RAM. The beautiful visuals on this laptop screen are powered by a 14-inch IPS panel with a 2K screen that has a fluid refresh rate of 120Hz. To top that off, It comes with a 1TB Samsung M2 SSD with a relatively okay battery life of up to 10 hours. Although a bit on the expensive side, the Asus ROG Zephyrus G14 Alan Walker Special Edition takes third place on our list because of its functionalities, visuals, and incredible collaboration with the famous Norwegian DJ. For the number 2 spot on our list, we have Dell XPS 13, which is still holding the title of simply one of the best laptops ever made, while being almost unarguably the best Windows-based laptop for music production. The 2022 version further enhances its reputation and turns it into a must-have product for producers everywhere. Built as the gold standard laptop for on-the-go creatives who are looking for a good Windows alternative to the fancy Apple-MacBook Pro, the Dell XPS lineup has an incredible reputation regarding its design, screen, and specs. The 9320 version comes equipped with an updated 12th Gen Intel Alder Lake Core i7 processor with Intel Iris Xe graphics, making sure your audio-visual spectrums don't lack any qualities. For the memory, it comes with up to 32GB of LPDDR5 5200 RAM and an M.2 80mm PCIe 4.0x4 256GB of SSD that can be further upgraded up to 2TB to store all your musical expertise. You have 3 choices when picking up this laptop in terms of screen, as you can go for a 13.4-inch FHD screen with an IPS panel or a 13.4-inch 3.5K screen with an OLED panel. But when you really want to crank things up high, you should go with a 13.4-inch 4K UHD screen with an IPS panel, perfect for when you want to take a breather from producing music and enjoy some extra content. The Dell XPS 13 is a great all-rounder laptop that not only excels in terms of music production, but basically is a jack-of-all-trades laptop that has your back no matter what you do, which gave it a solid number 2 spot on our list today. Yes, we can tell you saw it coming from a mile away. As for a champion in this video, we have the MacBook Pro 14-inch variant, which is powerful, compact, and overall the best laptop you can get for audio production as of right now. As if possessing the title of the best video editing laptop and best photo editing laptop wasn't enough, the MacBook Pro snacks the title of the best music production laptop right from under everyone's noses with breathtaking power and battery life. In terms of hardware, you can either go for the M1 Pro 8-core processor or the beefed-up M1 Max 10-core processor, both of which have integrated 14-core or 32-core GPUs respectively, combined with up to 64GB of RAM and up to 8TB of expandable storage. The screen, being simply the best screen on a laptop, rocks a 14-inch Liquid Retina exterior display with 1600 nits of peak brightness and a wide color gamut, which makes working on it an ethereal experience in terms of audio processing, monitoring, and producing. The laptop also comes with an added SD card slot and 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports, which can be considered as a bunch of useful added features. Oh, and lest we forget, it has around 14 hours of battery life, which guarantees how you won't lose your beat even when you lose your power. Powerful, compact, beautiful. The MacBook Pro ticks all the boxes for being an A-grade laptop for music producing and even crosses that realm to dip its feet into the world of something more. A remarkable invention of modern technology and hence the number 1 product on our list today. So, that was a list of the top 5 laptops for music production you can get right now. So go out there, pick your preferred one, and do let us know how it went in the comment section below. And for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.